I recently got the Arm & Hammer Light In Wash Scent Booster in the Peony Blossom scent, and the moment I opened the package and smelled it, I immediately threw my sheets in the wash with it. I seriously couldn't wait to hop into bed that night, and it smells that good. What I really love is that the scent is strong enough to make everything smell fresh and clean, but it's not overpowering or irritating at all. It doesn't have any heavy perfumes, dyes, or parabens, so it's perfect if you want something lighter or cleaner smelling for your laundry. Once my sheets came out of the dryer, they smelled amazing, soft, floral, and fresh without being too much, and the scent actually lasted, which is always a bonus. If you want your bedding or clothes to have that fresh, welcoming smell without heavy fragrances, this Peony Blossom Arm & Hammer scent booster is definitely worth trying. I'm already planning what I'm washing next.